Okay, so you have a Google business profile and you're getting reviews, right? And some are good, some are bad. You have been paying attention to them. You see them come in, but you're just not responding. Is that a good thing or is that a bad thing? That is absolutely a bad thing, for sure. So one, in terms of like the local algorithm, Google's monitoring that stuff, right? And so they want to see how quick you are to respond to reviews, right? Both positive and negative. So I definitely would encourage you to pay closer attention to that. Put some type of a procedure in place at your firm so that somebody is always responding to reviews. Most importantly, just for the ranking part of that. But also for the perception, right? So, if you get a positive review, people that are interested in hiring you that are on your page, they want to see, the response that the firm has to both the positive reviews, but especially the negative reviews, right? So if somebody had a bad experience with your firm, they want to see that, hey, that you tried to rectify this. So it's also important for the perception of your firm as well. So, again, make sure you're paying attention to reviews and respond to them as quickly as possible.